The usual gang at Picardo, innit? Oh, SLR, hell yeah. I've not got a pan if that makes you feel better, Steve. Can't make my fry up mid-game. Sucks. Well, I know. The bitterness is real. This is only my second ever time having this fucking thing. I liked it when I had it, to be fair. It was... And it does more damage per shot than the SKS as well. I like the SKS. Alright, SLI Vector. They're my guns for this game, I think. I like trying different weapons though, me, occasionally. Not just going for the same 5.56 fucking shit every single game. Gets a bit boring, doesn't it? That's why I like taking vectors. Plus, they're actually decent as well, aren't they? So it's like, it's not like this shit. Like, I was doing that with AKs like for the last week or so, and now I've got good with AKs as well. AK's a fucking beast though now. And then it'll be shit. Yeah, 100%. Actually, I might not take this vector. I might go SLR AK actually and go full 7.6. Yeah. Don't have to fuck around with attachments as much then. Oh, we're not in the ring again. Umps are really good now with that, what's its name on? With that lightweight grip. Oh god. It is a little bit. It's not funny when you get down, it's just, well, it is. I love it. I'll take the 6 actually. Alright, I'll have the 4 then. Okay, I'll have the 4. Ooh, premature. Don't know if you got to stay. I think the Mini's still better than the Uzi though. Oh, there's another one on Vibe. What did you get? I think scars have been better in this latest update, to be honest. So it makes up for the fact that each bullet doesn't do anywhere near as much damage as an M4. Yeah, but then there'd be no point having multiple 5.5 weapons in the game, would there? Yeah, but then you've got bullet velocity in that to take into account as well, and that's why the 16's better range. They're using 5.5 still. I've got I've got 30 rounds for you. Found some in this barn. You're fucking 10 miles away, mate. We got a free kill. I'm joking. Guy in the back's a pussy, fuck me. Stop anywhere. Could have crashed actually, that's a good point. This time I crashed on a 3-wheeler bike, I ended up fucking facing in the opposite direction that I started on when I crashed. It was hilarious. Took no damage either, I don't know how it happened. To be fair, I think they'll all be coming past you, mate, because you're not in the ring and we are. Near me and Steve, I imagine. Yeah, I'll come back to you. Only just down road. How many? Do you know? I'm coming. Oh, fuck you, Miles. I didn't realise you'd gone over there. Well, there's not much point me charging over without everybody. Look at us, we're fucking 50 miles away from each other. That's the problem we had there. Well, that's what I'm saying. I thought he was still at these two here, at like 100 meters away. Yeah, but I thought you were going to come down to me afterwards to get the stuff. The 5.56 that I picked up for you. Nah, I've just downed one. Bench stay. They'll be healing him now, I imagine. How did 2 shots down him? No, 1 shot downed him. But how did 2 shots not finish him off when he was downed? That's what I want to know. Are you guys coming or what? Yeah, I'm just going to run into the ring because them guys are going to come charging into the ring. Just get in the ring and then get a firing position on them. Right, the southwest guys. He went behind the tree so I couldn't see anymore. Nah, that's what got me originally. I think they're gonna go to that gas station, you know. That's where I'd be trying to make it to. Yep. A fucking idiot. Down from where? Oh yeah, we don't need to know about it until it's coming to us. Fucking hell, they're proper running for it, these assholes, aren't they? Nah, mate, they've carried on. They're up at the next town, 250 now. Yeah. If we approach from the angle that I'm at now, if they're in that White House, they've no window to look at us. Oh, one of them's just run into... Shit, they're going past that, you know. They're proper flapping, aren't they? Fucking Mo Farah. Cheat pad, I think this thing takes in a muzzle. Down there. Right, there's guys right corner from me, guys. Two someones. I'm not, I was trying to follow the thing. I don't like it. You can't tell where exactly the middle is. They're out corner here. Yeah, I know, but that's harder than a dot where you know exactly pinpoint it where it is, I think. They drove around the corner with the buggy. Ah, they've gone up the hill. They've gone up the hill. You can drive up at this point, that's why. That's where I think we go wrong. We're there, approaching guys, and then all of a sudden we just start looting a building. I've already checked as I went past. That barn? Yeah, I did. I went in. I looked in it. Yeah, but 170. He'll be dead in a sec. Yeah. Oh, I knocked him out actually. Shit, there must be more than two. Right, one's dead. How'd you get up here? Is this it? Are they dead or down? Are they dead or down? Alright. Nice. Yeah, I got mine, yeah. Just one. Where are the bodies? Where were they? Ah. That's a hilarious comparison, I love it. Were the other guys further up vibe that you got or not? Why? Well, not anymore. There's a 6 scope on this bloke. None of them have got anything really, you know. They're not fucking looted, these guys. I don't know why they're doing up here. There's one here, mate, as well. There's jack shit on this guy either, mate. There's a vector and a tiny bit of thing and then a grenade, that's it. The shit. "20 seconds. On one of the bodies, they were fucking hard work to find. I managed to do it without getting damaged, to be fair. Yeah, go that way, like where Leiden's gone. They weren't looted at all, them guys. There was like no like fully decked 5.5 weapons or anything. Nothing. Yeah. Wait for you guys to catch up a bit before I go sprinting on. Bloody hell, that's miles away. Isn't it? No. Doesn't look like you're gaining on us at all. He's just swiping his crowbar about like a goon. That's tickling, that, isn't it? Oh, getting this nice little ditch over here, boys, to heal up. Oh, this. I've got 3 energy drinks. I can give you a first aid, Lyden. Come here. So you've got one. Have you got loads of boost vibe? Oh no. Oh, me neither. I've got 2. I've marked it. Yep. Keep an eye left and right, boys. Bit of flat ground coming up. If you see someone 50,000 miles in the distance, unless they're looking at us, don't shoot. As well as everyone else, yeah. Oh, we're getting shot at. That is us. That's a VSS as well, isn't it? Oh, no, it's an ump actually, I think. Oh, I see him. 5 on top of the hill. Oh, I've got out now. He's shooting at us. Bitch. He's dead. Nah, I killed that guy, finished him off to make sure. Tell you what, that SLR is fucking beastie. It's just my accuracy shit today. That means there's 20 enemies, boys. I would have said yeah, but them guys are at the top of it, aren't they? Still trying to shoot us and shit. Love him. What, fight our way to the top? I reckon we wait at the bottom and see where it goes first before committing to that. He's dead. Right, I need boosters. Hopefully these guys have got some. Well, yeah, we might as well loot them now we've killed them, eh? Oh, guy to the left. Oh, 2 of them come in. I've knocked 1 as well. Are they all dead? They're all dead. Quickly grab boosters, boys, and then we need to go. Take said booster. Yep. I haven't looted these guys properly. We've got 30 odd seconds, so we need to get going, boys. Are you ready? Let's go. Get your zigzag game on because we're running downhill and they're probably at the top of the other side. Bunch of pricks. Yeah. There's a couple of nice tasty rocks at the bottom that look alright. God, I hope we don't have to go up that fucking hill. Who was shooting us? Because they're not shooting us now, are they? I'm gonna get my AK out in case they're behind this fucking car or rock or something. Surprise me. Right, let's get in the ring, boys. Get in the ring. We need to flank around this side, I think. Yeah, someone else is shooting at him now. What do you reckon, Vipe? Follow it round the right here. Oh, don't. Oh shit, where's that from? Get to the cover over here, man. The rock over here that looks pretty tasty. There's also that truck down there, Vipe, which looks alright. If you want to grab that, so we're not on top of each other. Alright, it's not when you get over to us, mate. We're good here. Yeah, we're in all the divots and the rocks and shit. Yeah, we're good. Oh, lad, spread out a bit, mate. Spread out a bit, like Vipe has along this ridge. I don't want one grenade to fuck us right at the end. Yeah, the truck is. Just make sure you're in the ring. Caught out by that. Right, I'm gonna cover to the left, boys. If you guys look up the hill. Yeah. So we're probably the biggest team left, to be honest. If you think about it, realistically. You'd hope so, anyway. Yeah, we are. Actually, the best thing that can happen now is the ring closing for us. I think our cover's pretty solid. I bet the guys that are in the houses are just going to sit there though, so there'll be a team in there because they're hoping it's coming towards them. There'll be guys running in from the other ones now. I reckon there'll be gunfire in about 10 seconds. Watch this. Second now. Oh, yes. I am in the sweet spot, boys. Yeah, just get on the trench edge like Vipers. Yeah, they'd have killed us by now. You'd have hoped. Thought that were a guy up there. That's a good shout, Vipe. Good shout. You guys looking north up to that little road thing, yeah. Because I'm keeping. Oh, there's a guy left. There's a guy left. I can't tell. He's dead. Headshot. Our only thing is if they've got loads of grenades, they'll have an advantage, but hopefully they've not. Might even get the AK out. Yeah, you guys need to make sure you're in the ring now. You're not Leiden. Alright, okay, beautiful. Yeah, I see him. Oh, there's a guy to the right as well. One's down. Two down. Because he was shit, that's why.